Sorry about that.
Oh, that view is so beautiful out Mama's window. What if there's going to be another trolley that's coming back? It won't.
There's only two, and they pass each other in the middle.
Wow, you don't actually need all of this. Or this. I'm not holding it to anything. It's kind of like you can also walk up there, can't you?
I guess you can. Or you could walk down if you want to.
It's 3/4 of a mile.
No,
You
we're
won't
going
walk up.
faster.
Yeah, down's better. Down's better. Also, when they close, we don't have time. We only have like an hour now.
Yeah.
And they said the West Wing.
I just wanted to come up and take a look around the first time.
Yeah, I did too. I didn't. If I had known though, about the.
Do you work here?
No.
He's just
I'm just a visitor. But I like to ask a lot of questions, so I had that information.
All right, girls.
There's going to be long lines at the end, though, so you might as well walk. No problem. I won't videotape that one. That was only 2 minutes. Oh no, it's more. Hi. Hey sir, since I only have an hour, somebody said I should get to the west side, the west end.
West Pavilion, West Gate on your right is the West Pavilion.
Okay. And can I watch the sunset? Where exactly at the west? Gavin.
Får vi ner på den?
Hi.